There you go, my baby girl's first bicycle ride on. Joe? Yeah. Dude, look like he swallowed a bug.
Did you swallow a bug?
I had the barbecue chips, but I didn't know that was going to happen.
Look at Daddy.
Hey, baby. Yeah, truck. Turn the wheel, baby. Turn it to your right. There the girl.
Push pedal.
Push on the pedal. Push on the pedal.
You got the brake on.
Put your foot up there and push on the pedal.
Let go of the brake, baby.
There you go. Now push on the pedal.
Push.
There you go.
Push on the pedal.
Push the pedal, baby.
Push the pedal. Now take your other foot and push the pedal. That's how you ride it right.
She was doing fine when I was out here.
Now keep pushing the pedal up. Now you got to
Jill, let her do it. Let her do it. She's smart enough to know.
Yes, you do it.
You do it. There you go. Push it up. Give it some body strength.
Julie, let her do it.
Herself on-
She can do it by herself. Let her do it. She can learn it.
Yeah. Push.
She's smart.
See, she's been watching the little boy. The little boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There's her grandmother.
And Klutz as her mama.
The ditch turn. You got it. We'll climb mountains tomorrow. Maybe take her to Base Mountain.
Yep.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Show her what's real hillbilly mountain climbing.
Look up there so you say, hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Don't take that off. Oh, you want a purse on it? We can put a purse on it. We'll put one on it. We'll give her a basket.
I'll order a pouch. Perch. Porch. Something.
This is for the night.
Okay.
Can you make it light up?
If you guys will help her pedal, I'll go get my bike.
All right, Mom. All right.